What if I told you that you could go 30 days without touching a bank? No ATM, no debit card, no mobile app, and the financial system wouldn't just inconvenience you, it would fight back? Because the moment you step out of the banking grid, something strange happens. You start to see the invisible machinery that controls how you earn, spend, and even think about money. But here's the real mystery. Millions of people around the world already live without banks. Some by choice, most because the system quietly leaves them behind. What would happen to you if you tried it? This is the story of what really happens when you stop using a bank for 30 days, and why the consequences go far beyond money. Before we jump into the 30-day experiment, you need to understand something important. Banks aren't just places to store money. They're the gateway to participating in the modern economy. Every swipe you make, every bill you pay, every subscription you forget to cancel, every job you apply for, every loan you dream of getting, it all runs through one centralized system. A system that didn't always exist. A system built by powerful figures, from early European merchants, to JP Morgan, to central banks like the Federal Reserve, all designing a world where money moves through them. And here's the twist. The system wasn't built for convenience, it was built for control. So what happens when you unplug from that system? Let's find out. Hundreds of years ago, money was simple. Gold, silver, coins, livestock, even grain. But kings had a problem. Gold was hard to transport and impossible to track. So early banks emerged as vaults, trusted places where people stored gold in exchange for paper receipts. Advantage? Paper was easy to carry. Disadvantage? Whoever controlled the paper controlled the economy. By the 1900s, central banks standardized this system. The U.S. Federal Reserve was born in 1913, and with it, the government gained the power to control interest rates, money supply, and ultimately people's financial decisions. Fast forward to today. We don't even see money anymore. It's numbers on a screen, entries on a server, zeros and ones that can be frozen, blocked, reversed, or deleted. When money becomes digital, your freedom becomes digital too. This history matters because when you decide to go without a bank, you're not just avoiding an institution, you're stepping outside a system civilization has been shaped around for 200 years. You start your 30-day challenge. Day 1, you withdraw all your cash. Feels empowering until you realize cash disappears fast. Day 3, your phone bill? Online only. Your Netflix? Auto billing. Your Uber rides? Card only. You don't notice how much of your life is automated until you try to do everything manually. Day 5, you walk into a store. They look at your cash like it's suspicious. Some stores don't even accept it anymore. Day 7, you try sending money to a friend. No mobile app, no bank transfer. You have to physically meet them, hand them cash, or buy a money order. And slowly, something becomes clear. You're not using a bank, but the entire world is built on the assumption that you do. That's when the experiment stops being an inconvenience and becomes a revelation. This is where things get serious. Problem number 1, security. You're carrying cash. One mistake, one loss, one theft, and it's gone. Digitally, banks absorb the loss. Physically, you absorb the loss. Problem number 2, income becomes complicated. If you work a job, your salary comes through direct deposit. Companies rarely issue paper checks anymore. Even fewer pay cash. Miss a deposit cycle, and you're effectively invisible in the payroll system. Problem number 3, renting, traveling, booking, good luck. Hotels require a card. Car rentals require a card. Airlines require a card. Even many landlords require digital payments. Problem number 4, no credit, no history, no proof. This is the part that hits hardest. Without banking activity, your credit score stalls. Your financial identity freezes. Your trustworthiness to the system begins to vanish. You're still the same person, but to the modern economy, you become a ghost. By the final week, you experience the truth. Living without a bank isn't just hard. It's nearly impossible. You spend more time managing money. You feel less safe. Your options shrink. Your world gets smaller. And here's the hidden twist nobody talks about. Banks don't need you, but you need banks. The system is engineered this way. Not using a bank doesn't free you. It isolates you, not because you failed, but because the world around you no longer supports a cash-only life. Governments have tried solutions: prepaid cards, cash assistance programs, digital wallets, local credit unions, financial education programs. But none of these fix the core problem. The world is becoming digital faster than people can adapt. And here's where it gets shocking. Pushpin: 63% of Americans can't handle a $500 emergency. Pushpin: 57 million US adults are unbanked or underbanked. Pushpin: nearly 40% of all retail transactions are now cashless. The more the world goes digital, the more people without banking access get left behind. And ironically, many of them didn't quit the system quit them. Look across history and you'll see a pattern. Every time money changes form, gold paper, paper cards, cards digital AI-driven finance. Each transition creates winners and losers. Those who adapt early gain power. Those who adapt late lose it. The next transition is already happening. Cryptocurrency, tokenized assets, biometric payments, AI-optimized spending. And the question isn't, what happens if you stop using a bank? The real question is, what happens when the bank stops needing you at all? Takeaway number 1, money is no longer physical. Cash is disappearing. Your financial identity lives online and can be restricted or erased in seconds. Takeaway number 2, banks aren't optional anymore. They're the infrastructure of modern life. Avoiding them doesn't protect you. It removes you from the economy. Takeaway number 3, the next financial shift is coming fast. iBanking, digital IDs, cashless cities, and a world where every transaction is tracked. You can't afford to be unprepared. Final warning, if avoiding a bank for 30 days nearly shuts down your life, imagine what happens in a world where cash doesn't exist at all. The system changes, people don't, and those who don't adapt get left behind. If you want more deep dive videos like this, stories that reveal how the financial world really works, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon, because what's coming next will affect every dollar you earn.